right, hurricane season. We only have 2 months left after tomorrow. So take a look. We do have this area that we're watching in the tropics. We have all this tropical moisture in the Western Caribbean Sea. And once it lives into this area that you're seeing shaded in orange right here, this is where it'll have a better environment to probably maybe have some formation in the upcoming days, something we're going to watch very closely. And then that moisture eventually works its way into the Gulf of Mexico. And then some of that moisture is directed towards the state of Florida by the end of the work week through the weekend. So we are going to be monitoring that tropical moisture. We're going to see really that moisture ramping up by the midweek all the way through the weekend compared to today, which was relatively dry with only just a few spotty showers. Tomorrow we could see a couple of isolated showers, but you will notice the increase in moisture as we head into your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's a look at rainfall totals over the course of several days, right? We're talking from today all the way through next Monday, a whole week out. Could see anywhere up to 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Isolated spots could see a little bit more. Of course, these are things we're going to be monitoring for you as we get closer to the midweek. And a lot of this can also vary if we do actually see some development. Right now, models do not really develop that tropical disturbance too much, but we will see an increase in moisture regardless of development here across Florida. Latest from Tropical Storm Kirk all the way out in the Atlantic. This will become a hurricane, eventually a major hurricane by the midweek, but it does stay all the way out in the Atlantic, so no threats to any land there. And then on top of Kirk, we do have a couple other areas that we're watching. We just got the latest advisory from Joyce, which will also not impact any land. And then we have another another area that we're watching that moved off of Africa that right now models do take it out to the west. A lot of the models do also keep this one out to sea, but just keep in mind still well into the hurricane season. Back at home, though, we do have a couple showers and storms, mostly inland and also right around Lake Okeechobee there, western half of the state. Really seeing that rain all the way out into Charlotte County. A couple showers there right around Okeechobee and western portions there of Indian River and also of St. Lucie County. As you go throughout the overnight through tomorrow morning, maybe a stray shower near the coast whenever we have the onshore wind. But by the afternoon, we're going to see this weak boundary increasing the moisture there, especially across central Florida. A couple showers and storms across portions of the Treasure Coast and inland Palm Beach County, but most of us do manage to stay nice and dry. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, certified the most accurate here in South Florida. We have 90s for you Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperatures still feeling like the triple digits when you factor in the humidity. Then we're going to tap into that tropical moisture. That's going to be right around 50% coverage here starting for your Friday, Saturday, Sunday into next Monday. But at least with the extra rainfall and clouds, that'll keep our temperatures out of the 90s.